Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming access in Business Manager and linking the correct ad account and page. This avoids permission delays. Once done, collect your first-party data, emails, phone numbers, purchase history, and format as CSV. Make sure to choose the campaign objective now because it shapes targeting options and optimization events. Finally, open Audiences in Ads Manager and click Create Audience. This is where you move from setup to building a usable seed. You upload the CSV and map fields like email and phone. Mapping accuracy matters because matching rates affect reach. Once uploaded, create a lookalike using the best performing seed, 1% for precision, up to 10% for scale. Make sure to layer interests and behaviors to narrow intent. Use exclusions to remove current customers or irrelevant demographics. Test 3 to 5 audience variants so you can compare performance instead of guessing which. You launch with clear budgets and placements, then run a /B tests against your audience variants. Short tests of 3 to 7 days reveal trends without wasting spend. Once live, watch match rate, CPC, CTR, and CPA daily so you can decide to scale winners. If match rate is low, reformat the list, normalize phone and email fields, or expand the seed with similar customer segments. Finally, verify the Facebook pixel is firing to ensure conversion data feeds back into
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.